and it is determined that it is a part of an aircraft. Now, as you get closer on the part, you can see a serial number and you see the word Boeing before that serial number. You can't say with certainty what that part is, but the assumption is that it's part of a landing gear from one of the 9/11 aircraft. Is that we'll wait till Monday morning. The Office of the Chief Medical Examiner will do an examination of the area around the part to see if it's toxic in any way. 45 part places where we entered to take a look at the part. They will also check to see if there's any human remains at the site, and then a determination will be made as to how to move the part from that location. The space between the two buildings is only 18 inches. Now the part has been measured to be 5 feet by 4 feet by 17 inches. So it's a big part, and obviously very, very narrow, confined area. Yeah, there's a rope that is intertwined in the part. So it's a big part, and obviously very, very narrow, confined area. Yeah, there's a rope that is intertwined in the part.